Bitch is like, ooh, he naked. I can see his nipple. Yeah. Alright, here's another rap for y'all. Alright, I said, if I like your sneakers, dude, I might go peekaboo. Gun go bow and leave you shocked like Pikachu. I don't want to feature you, you hear me through your speakers, boo. I'm something else, it's like a rose from a secret tomb. And any lame artist in my way, he will be consumed. I'm a T-Rex, this fool, he next. I'm feeling really fresh off my tats and my V-neck. I'm so damn fly like an airline, you swing set. Dissect you pussy straight open. C-sex, we flex, sorta like Funk Master, we next. I eat checks and stay high so I can't pass a P-test. Can't hang you sleeveless, you hear me and you're speechless. Can't beat this or teach this, is art, ho, you can't see this. You listen too close, you would lose your ear like Picasso. You smell my raps because they're cooking, burn your fucking nostrils. Aeropostles, Chuck streak at a full throttle. A million on my schedule, but plan on fucking a model. And I don't drink, so I don't care if you pop in a bottle. But if you busting a strap, bro, we can talk about that. My homie selling crack, trying to get the dollars up. Boss life or climb back with your collar up. And I ain't interested in the hoe unless you're trying to fuck. RG, Triple T, real ginger trying to talk. The mindset of a teenager. I'm the queen's favorite, chef in the booth. I just need an apron and a statement saying I'm trying to do right. Just trying to live my life, yellow, you don't live it twice. My flow's nice like Dyson, snake eyes. These real eyes can see lies through these fake guys. Back in the man, used to keep it on my waistline. Put it to your chin for your iPhone, FaceTime. All we know is grind, so we ride like skate signs. Wordplay strong, hit your back and it breaks spines. Take time each line, every single rhyme. Call me Mr. Roosevelt, cause all I fucking spit is dimes. Alright, man. The C Money, man. This is just another, it's another rap. But alright, man. Like it, subscribe it, show all your friends, man. That all helps, man. Just keep doing it. Alright, holler at you later.